Welcome to week 15. We're almost there. I hope everyone had a lovely Thanksgiving. This week, our focus is going to be on leadership. And this particular lesson, I do have a lot of descriptions and definitions of managers and leaders. I really love this chart that I have on the screen right here of a manager versus a leader. And I think the best way that I sum it up is that managers manage things, right? Projects, tasks, whereas leaders are kind of inspiring and influencing others to do what they'd like them to do, or to do the right thing, which is ethics is part of it as well. And so I think that it's important not only in event planning, which we focused a little bit on those management aspects as well, but really all of hospitality and all of, many other jobs will require the skills of both managers and leaders. And it's important to know when to apply which technique. So in this particular week, as we wrap up, this is our last week of instructional content. We'll wrap up that part of it and then focus on some of the assignments that are due, the hospitality portfolio, the leadership group project. I welcome any questions that you have, and I hope that you've enjoyed a lot of the topics that we've explored during this particular semester. So this next week that we have focusing on management and leadership, I hope that you'll think about it as it applies to any of the positions or any of the career paths that you were considering as you started to take this course, as you learned more during this course, and I welcome any questions that you have. Thank you.